there! Quick question. When was the last time you thought about your kidneys? Yeah, those bean-shaped wonders tucked away in your back. They're your body's silent cleaners, working 24/7 to filter your blood and get rid of the bad stuff. But what happens when they start sending out SOS signals and we're too busy to notice? Today we're exploring the world of kidneys. Not the most glamorous topic, I know, but stick with me. We're uncovering the early warning signs that your kidneys might be in trouble. Because catching these signs early, that's a game changer for your health. Let's get into it and find out how to keep those kidney cries for help from turning into full-blown alarms. Alright, let's dive straight into the first sign your kidneys might be sending out an SOS: changing in your urination patterns. Now, talking about pee might not be everyone's cup of tea, but it's important to do so. Your kidneys are responsible for producing urine, so any changes here can be one of the earliest indicators that they need a bit of attention. First up, frequency. If you find yourself running to the bathroom more often than usual, especially at night, it could be a sign that your kidneys are working overtime to get rid of excess waste in your blood. On the flip side, peeing less than usual can also be a red flag. It might mean your kidneys are struggling to filter your blood properly. Next, let's talk about appearance. Healthy urine is typically light yellow and clear. If your pee starts looking foamy, it could indicate excess protein, a sign of kidney distress. And if you ever see blood in your urine, don't brush it off. It's a direct signal from your kidneys that something's wrong. Blood in the urine can be due to infections, kidney stones, or other more serious kidney conditions. Lastly, let's touch on the effort it takes. Straining or feeling pain during urination isn't normal. It could point to a urinary tract infection or, again, larger kidney issues. So why does all this matter? Because paying attention to those changes can catch kidney problems early, making them much more manageable. Think of it as your body's way of whispering for help before it has to shout. Keeping an eye on your bathroom habits might not be glamorous, but it could literally save your kidneys and improve your overall health. Remember, your body talks to you in various ways. It's up to us to listen and act. Now onto another signal that might be a bit easier to spot, but just as easy to brush off: swelling, also known in the medical world as edema. This isn't your average bloating after a big meal. We're talking about noticeable, often uncomfortable swelling, particularly in your legs, ankles, feet, and even your hands and face. It's like your body is suddenly deciding to hold on to all the water it can, but why? It's important to understand that your kidneys play a big part in managing your body's fluid balance. When they're healthy, they expertly filter and remove excess fluid from your blood, which then leaves your body as urine. But when your kidneys aren't up to speed, that fluid starts to build up in your tissues instead of being flushed out, leading to swelling. This swelling isn't just inconvenient, it's a visual hint that your kidneys are struggling. It can make shoes feel tighter, make rings hard to remove, and even leave indentations on your skin if you press on the swollen areas. And while it might be tempting to write this off as a minor annoyance, it's actually your body waving a big red flag. But swelling isn't just about fluid. It can also be a sign that your kidneys are losing too much protein in your urine, a condition known as proteinuria. Protein plays a crucial role in keeping fluid inside our blood vessels, and without enough of it, fluid leaks into surrounding tissues, causing swelling. So what can you do if you notice this kind of swelling? First, take it seriously. It's not just about cutting back on salt or putting your feet up, though those can help. It's about listening to what your body is trying to tell you and getting to the root of the problem. That means talking to your doctor, who can check for other signs of kidney issues and help you take steps to protect your kidney health. Remember, your body is an incredibly smart system, constantly sending out messages. Swelling, especially when it's out of the ordinary, is one of those messages, urging you to pay attention and take action. By catching these signs early, you're not just addressing the symptoms, you're taking proactive steps to safeguard your health and well-being. Let's move on to a symptom that many of us might easily overlook: extreme fatigue. I'm not talking about the usual tiredness after a long day at work or a poor night's sleep. This is about feeling bone-deep exhaustion that doesn't go away with rest. It's the kind of fatigue that makes everyday tasks feel like climbing mountains and robs the joy out of activities you usually love. But how does this relate to your kidneys? Your kidneys, those silent workhorses, have a role that goes beyond just filtering waste. They're also needed in the production of a hormone called erythropoietin, or EPO for short. EPO tells your body to make red blood cells, which carry oxygen from your lungs to the rest of your body. When your kidneys are underperforming, they produce less EPO, leading to fewer red blood cells and, consequently, less oxygen reaching your muscles and brain. The result? You guessed it, fatigue. This isn't just a minor inconvenience. Fatigue can significantly impact your quality of life, making it hard to concentrate, affecting your mood, and even diminishing your immune system's effectiveness. It's a sign that your body isn't getting the oxygen it needs to function properly, and it's a common symptom in those with chronic kidney disease, CKD. But fatigue can be a tricky symptom. It's often vague and can be attributed to a host of other factors, from stress to busy lifestyles, making it easy to dismiss. However, when it's persistent and accompanied by other signs we've discussed, it's a clear signal from your body that your kidneys might be in distress. If you're experiencing this level of fatigue, it's wise to see a healthcare provider. They can perform simple tests to check your kidney function and blood cell counts. Recognizing and addressing extreme fatigue early can help manage potential kidney issues and improve your overall energy levels and health. Moving on to a symptom that's literally skin deep, persistent skin rash or itching. Now, we've all had our share of itchy bug bites or dry skin, especially in the winter months. But when you've got an itch that just won't quit or a rash that doesn't seem to have a clear cause, it might be more than skin trouble. It could be a sign from your kidneys. Your kidneys are responsible for filtering out toxins and excess fluids from your blood. When they're not working properly, these toxins can build up, leading to several issues, one of which is severe itching and rashes. This isn't your average itch. It's a deep, persistent irritation that doesn't get better with the usual remedies like moisturizing or over-the-counter creams. This kind of itching, medically known as uremic pruritus, is a common symptom for those with advanced kidney disease or those whose kidneys are failing. The buildup of waste products in the blood can cause severe irritation in the skin, leading to uncomfortable, sometimes unbearable itching. It's your body's way of signaling that the kidneys aren't effectively removing toxins. But why a rash? Well, as these toxins accumulate, they can also lead to various skin issues, including rashes. These aren't your typical allergic reactions or contact dermatitis, they're a manifestation of the internal imbalance caused by reduced kidney function. If you're experiencing unexplained, persistent itching or rashes, it's important not to dismiss them as just skin deep. They could be a sign of something more serious happening inside your body. Consulting with a healthcare professional can help determine if your symptoms are related to kidney issues. They might recommend blood tests to check your kidney function and suggest treatments to manage the symptoms. Addressing skin itching and rashes related to kidney problems often involves treating the underlying kidney condition. In the meantime, there are ways to manage the discomfort, but the first step is recognizing that these skin issues might be more than just surface level. It's another way your body is trying to tell you that your kidneys need attention. Ever had that weird metallic taste in your mouth, like you've been sucking on a handful of coins? It's not just odd, it could be a sign your kidneys are sending out an SOS. When your kidneys aren't filtering properly, waste builds up in your blood, and one of the more bizarre signs of this is a metallic taste in your mouth or a significant change in how foods taste. This isn't about missing the mark with your seasoning, it's a condition known as dysgeusia, a disruption in your sense of taste. It can make your favorite foods seem unappealing, and even your go-to comfort foods might taste off. Beyond being a culinary buzzkill, it's a symptom that your body is struggling to eliminate toxins, affecting your taste buds and breath. If you're noticing these changes, it's more than a culinary inconvenience. It's a reason to check in with your doctor. While a metallic taste can stem from various causes, when paired with other symptoms we've discussed, it points towards your kidneys needing a closer look. Listening to these subtle hints from your body and seeking medical advice can help catch kidney issues early, making them more manageable and less likely to escalate into more serious health concerns. As we wrap up our discussion on the early signs of kidney problems, here are 2 questions to ponder and potentially discuss with your healthcare provider. Which of the early signs discussed in our video surprised you the most, and why? How will this information change the way you pay attention to your body's signals regarding kidney health? Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more health tips and nutritional advice. Until next time, stay healthy, stay happy, and keep taking care of yourself.